Hello and welcome back to Studio E. Learn English here, anytime, anywhere. I know you're thinking, what happened? What happened? Well, I went hiking and I fell on a rock. So I hit my head and now I have a black eye. But I'm okay. I'm fine. Today we're going to learn the sounds of the letters G, H, and I. G is a consonant. It is similar to the letter C in that it has a hard sound and a soft sound. The hard sound of the letter G is G. G. The sound is created at the back of your mouth and the back of your tongue. There's no teeth, just G. G. Gate. Gate. Gull. Gull. Goggles. Goggles. Gary gave green goggles for gifts. Gary gave green goggles for gifts. The soft sound of the letter G is J. J. Your mouth looks like this with your teeth together, and your tongue hits the back of your top teeth, and you go J, J. Giant, giant. Gypsy, gypsy. Gym, gym. Gina, the German geometry genius, generated integers. Gina, the German geometry genius, generated integers. Let's move on to the letter H. H is a consonant, and normally the sound of the letter H is like the sound of air coming out of your mouth, like this. Happy, happy. Hill, hill. House, house. Helen happily heated her house with hardwood. Helen happily heated her house with hardwood. Sometimes the letter H is no sound. It's silent. It's silent, as in words like herb or honest or hour. It makes no sound. The air was honest about the herbs. The air was honest about the herbs. Let's move on to the letter I. I is a vowel. So like all vowels, there are two main sounds, the long sound and the short sound, just like the A and the E. The long sound of the letter I is just like the name of the letter. So it's I. Idea. Idea. Kite. Kite. Mice. Mice. Dinah felt fine as she wined and dined. Dinah felt fine as she wined and dined. The short sound of the letter I is I. Sit. sit. Ill, ill. Bill, bill. Infants sit in a crib. Infants sit in a crib. Eh. And that's all for today. We learned the sounds of the letters for G, H, and I. Next time, we'll learn the sounds of the letters for J, K, and L. So come on back. And in the meantime, take care of yourself. Don't fall, and have a wonderful day.